Picture yourself in the 2021 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated rear seat. Superior elegance meets world-class off-road capability in this incredible Range Rover. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.